really thought y'all had Beyonce the other day. This is Beyonce 2.0. Ooh. Hey guys, Beyonce 2.0 here with another video. And today I'm going to be showing y'all how to do this look right here. So if you already know, this is my favorite palette to use. The Jaclyn MORPHE palette. Is beat up, but it's because it has like all the colors and you can do like many different looks. So the color we're starting off with today is Roxanne, and this is Roxanne. Everybody say hey Roxanne. So we're gonna use Roxanne, this color right here. See this? And this is the crease shaded brush. This is my favorite brush. So we're gonna use this. And you're gonna put it like right above your crease. Not on it, but above it. I'm just gonna do that. And like keep building up the shade. So then once it looks kind of like this, you're gonna go in with, I think this is my favorite color. It's called Jax. It's Jax. Everybody say hi to Jax right here. It's like a burgundy cranberry-ish color. I like it. And you're gonna put it in the same spot, but just slightly below it, like this. Yeah, like that. So now I use my favorite little blendy brush. This is my favorite little blendy brush. This is by e.l.f. It don't got a name. I think he said it was a blendy brush. So I'm just gonna like smoothen out these edges here. So this is a medium blender by Vanity Planet. And you're just gonna like blend circular motion. I want to use a brown color, so I think I'm going to go in with mocha, because I want me a mocha frappuccino. I don't. So you're gonna go in with mocha. This is mocha, guys. This is mocha. But this one you're gonna put on your crease. Yes. You're gonna go back and forth. Yes, hunty. And then you're gonna do the circular motion. Then you're gonna go in with your medium blender. You're gonna blend that out, sus. Make sure you guys add me on Instagram and Snapchat. You know what I'm saying? I mostly be on Instagram, not really Snapchat. But I be on there sometimes, so you can still add me, you know. And then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna use this concealer right here. This is the Maybelline Master Conceal. I'm gonna put a little dab of that. Okay, that's exactly how I want it. So I'm gonna grab a little bit more of the concealer, just a tad bit, and add it here. Okay, so once you have that, you're gonna go back in with my favorite brush, by Vanity Fair. This is the crease shader, and we're gonna go in with Jack's, my favorite color, and you're gonna blend that color in. So you're gonna grab Mocha. You're gonna put that in there too. Then you're gonna grab your little blending brush. You're gonna blend this out on the outer corner. Okay. Alright, so once you have that, I'm gonna go in with this brush. This is a rounded liner brush, and I want to use like a light pinkish shade to like go right here. And the color we're gonna use is called Faint, because we about to have these people fainting out here. So I'm gonna use Faint right here. And I'm gonna just put it right here. Okay, and then the next color I'm gonna use, because I want it to be a lighter shade on the inner corner, it's called SBN. What does SBN mean? We don't know, but we're gonna go with SBN, and we're gonna put it right here. And then once you're done with that, I'm gonna grab you some eyeliner. I use two different eyeliners, one to create the line and one to make it darker. This is the Maybelline Stiletto. So I'm gonna use this, and then this is this is NYC. So see if I can do this without messing up. So once you have that done, you're gonna put your lashes on. So I just put on some like regular lashes like this. They kind of look like demi-wispies. Okay, so now that I'm done with both eyes, I'm gonna put on some foundation. I have the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, one in the color 330 Toffee and the other one 332 Golden Caramel. My skin's kind of complicated, so I had to use two different colors and mix them together. I'm gonna use my beauty blender. I'm gonna just blend everything together. Okay, and since I have to mix colors, I have to mix concealers too. So this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Almond. I used that color first, and I'm like kind of running out. This is the same one I used on my eyes, the Master Conceal Light Medium, and I don't put a lot. So once I have that, I'm gonna spray it with this dewy semi spray. And that's it. Now I'm gonna go in with my Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Banana. Use this right here. I call this Baconomics. Okay, so while I wait on my face to bake this cake, I'm gonna go to my bottom lashes now. I'm gonna use this little brush right here. This is an Eco Tool brush, and I'm just gonna go in with Jack's. And I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line. And then you're gonna go in with Chip, and you're gonna just go halfway. Now I'm gonna use my contour palette by Sephora. Just the darker shade. I'm gonna use this brush. This is a angle contour brush. So I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and we're gonna get in them cheeks. So now that I'm done, I'm just gonna like wipe away this powder. So once this is done, you know, you can add a highlight. I think I might be able to do a highlight. So I'm gonna go in with the color Obsessed. I don't got a real highlighter, y'all, but you can use eyeshadow, shimmery eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna spray it, and I'm gonna go like this. For your lips, for my lips, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Creme Brulee. This is my favorite. I wear it with any type of makeup look because I like nude lips. Then to add a little pizzazz to finish this off, we're gonna add my NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. And we're gonna be out here popping. If you like this look, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share the video. I'm really loving this. And until next time.